Guys, here I'm going to be making a little video for you guys on how to install the quad lock phone mount. I know many of us have been struggling. Whoever owns a Ducati Panigale or literally any Ducati from 848 to the top will know that it's almost impossible to install a stem mount due to this little apparatus that's here that completely blocks off any possibility to install a stem mount, other than maybe installing it here or doing that kind of stuff. So today we will be installing the stem mount. What you guys would need to buy first off is, well, I only installed it on one of the attachments that came with the stem mount, with the quad lock, sorry. So what we will be doing is get this little anchor lock from Home Depot or any hardware store that you're located in. Alright, this will facilitate the installation. We will be installing it here, and as it pushes up, it will create a force to lock it in its place, and we will be able to install it neatly and securely. Alright, get a screwdriver, get 2 washers, one for the top head. Okay, once you remove the rubber side, get your washer for the top and another washer for the bottom, just so you don't mess up with the plastics and you have a more of a lifetime thing going on. As you can see, I do have everything set up here to install the stem mount. Get yourself a screwdriver as well. And without further ado, let me show you how it's done. First, we have to screw it a little bit more so that way it can lock here. Give me a sec. And now we proceed to installing the anchor mount. Oh, I think I put it a little too high at the beginning, so let me loosen it up a little bit. Alright guys, and now we just drop it inside it, like so. Boom, she's inside, so you guys can see. Alright, now let's go ahead and tighten it up. Where's my screwdriver? Go ahead and tighten this little ordeal here. Alright, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, right? Alright, let me get back to you guys. Alright, ladies and gents, she seems to be doing pretty sturdy. You guys can see there is a small tiny gap here that I wasn't able to align, but I think I can live with it. All things considered, she looks pretty solid. It's all good. Tighten it up just about enough. Alright, and let's install it. Alright, now the quad lock does give us a few tools, so let's use it correctly. Alright, I'm gonna need to free up my hand, guys, so bear with me. And we are good to go, guys. It's all good, it's all sorted. That piece costs you less than 25 cents at any Home Depot or any warehouse, home goods warehouse you can find, home improvement warehouse, sorry. So, yeah. Now I got this crap to deal with that I particularly don't need, but I mean, I'll keep it just in case I get another bike or I install it on my other CVR, which is currently in the shop. But yeah, it's good to go. There she is, guys. Oh my god, I'm so happy about this bike. You have no idea. Oh, check it out. It's so dope. Carbon fiber seats. It gets unnecessarily loud. For